Hello. Today we'll be solving exercise 2.1 displacement on practice it. The question reads, in physics, a common useful equation for finding the position s of a body in linear motion at a given time t based on its initial position s naught, initial velocity v naught, and rate of acceleration a is the following. S equals s naught plus v naught times t plus 1/2 a times t squared. Write code to declare variables for s naught with the value of 12.0, v naught with the value of 3.5, a with the value of 9.8, and t with the value of 10. And then write the code to compute s on the basis of these values. At the end of your code, print the value of a variable s to the console. So now the first thing that comes to mind when looking at this problem is to list the values that are listed or the variables that are given to us in the problem. So the first variable is s naught with the value of 12.0. And because there is a decimal, we want to input that as a double. So we want to name it double s equals 12.0 and always end with the semicolon. A semicolon is basically a period in Java programming language. Okay, then now we have v naught, which is the initial velocity with the value of 3.5. And again, because it's decimal, we want to count it as a double. So double v equals 3.5 and end with the semicolon. A with the value of 9.8. So the acceleration, which is also a double, is 9.8. And t, we could either count it as a double or an integer because there is no decimal and it really won't matter. But for the sake of the fact that there is no decimal, we'll just label it as an int. So int t equals 10. And now you'll see why it doesn't matter if it's an int or a double right now, because the final calculation is going to be double positions, which is the final s. And because that's going to be in a double at the very end, it doesn't matter if t is an integer or a double because it will automatically be converted into a double in double positions. So now all we have to do is rewrite this equation over here. Because we gave s naught the name, the initial position, we named it s. We want to put s here plus v naught, or initial velocity. We named it v. So s plus v times t plus, and 1/2 could also be written as 0.5, or you could just do 1 divided by 2. Either way works, times a times t, which is also the same thing as t squared. So now all we need to do is print it out. And in order to print out positions, it is system.out.println, which is new line, and positions. And if you submit, everything is correct. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.